Hello, pre-K.
Welcome back to our school home. Our home school, not school home.
Anyway, we are going to do an experiment today. I saw an experiment for making a bouncy egg.
Eggy.
And Mifka really wanted to try it. Okay? Now, how can we make an egg bounce? Because this is a regular raw egg, right? We got it from the supermarket. We took it out of the egg carton. It's raw. It has a hard shell.
It's not bouncy.
It's not bouncy. If we drop it, what's gonna happen?
It's gonna crack.
It's gonna crack.
You wanna see?
Should we try it?
Yeah. Let me do it. Look. And now I'm gonna bounce this egg. Everyone ready?
A little higher.
Yeah. Everyone ready? Yeah. Look at what it does.
Oh, it didn't crack. Whoa. You hear the thump? It's a very hard egg, but it's not cracking. It's still not cracking. This is a magic egg.
Why can't I just smash it with my hand?
Well, let's see if we drop it from higher, it might crack. There we go. We dropped it from high and it cracked. Okay, now we did something. Wait, we're not up to it yet. We wanted to make the egg bounce. So what did we do? Last night, right, or yesterday, we put egg and vinegar. We covered the egg with vinegar and we just let it sit. Make sure nobody drinks it because it's not yummy. Vinegar. How does it smell?
And it's also not healthy for you. It might make you sick.
Smell it? Smell it?
It smells so good.
It smells so good. I love you. Okay, so if you can see there's even bubbles on the top, that's because the vinegar is very, very strong and acidic, and it basically scrubbed off on its own the shell of the egg, the harder, crunchy outer shell of the egg. So now if you look at it, it looks the same as the regular egg, but I can squish it. You see, it already looks like it's bouncy. Very gentle, don't squeeze it hard. We're not dropping it yet.
Can I try? And can I drop it?
Not too hard.
Mommy, can I bounce
Not too hard,
it?
gentle. Good.
Can I
Okay, yeah, you'll drop it. But it's squishy. Can you see how I'm squishing my fingers? So this one was hard. I still can't even squish it. But this one, boing, boing, boing.
It's soft like a bone.
I can't do it to this one. This one's hard. Even though they're both not cooked. I didn't cook this egg. I just put it in vinegar for one whole day. And the outside shell came off. Now I saw something cool. Not yet. We're not going to bounce yet. I saw something cool before we bounce it because it could break. It's just not going to break as easily as this. Go shut off the lights. Something cool about this egg right now is that if you shine a light through it, can you see how it becomes like yellowish? Do you see that? Yeah. The egg becomes yellowish.
It shows what's inside.
You see what's inside?
I can see a little bit. I can see
Let's
that.
see.
Yeah, we can see the yolk.
But it's yellow. You could see the yolk where?
The yellow part.
No, the whole thing is yellow. Isn't that cool? But let's see, can we shine, if we take this egg, does anything happen to it when we shine?
No.
Nope, nothing.
It's yellow. No, I want to.
But this one becomes yellow like the sun. Woo! That was a big squeeze. Okay, let's try for bounce number 1.
You said I can.
We're all gonna take a turn bouncing. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Boing, boing, boing. Now let Abigail get a turn. Did you see how it bounces like a ball? Not from that high. Oh my gosh, it's gonna splatter on all of us. No, that's too high from here.
It doesn't bounce.
Woo! Let Steffi get a turn. It's bouncy like a ball.
Can we play with it?
Bounce, 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 bounce. Here we've got, give it a try.
Can I do it on the table?
No, only on the tray.
Oh. Bouncy.
It's so bouncy. But the inside is still raw. How can it be? This one doesn't crack. Bounce. Now that's just a mess. That's the inside of an egg. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. So the vinegar took out basically scrubbed off the hard outer shell. And then once there's no outer shell, it's bouncy. Boingy boing. Let's see, should we try to bounce it from higher? Maybe it's gonna crack. Should we try?
Try.
Ah! Did you see that?
This is like squishy. It's like a
And that's the skin. Yeah, it did splatter. So you see it was raw on the inside, and this was the shell. It kind of looks like a popped balloon.
Yeah.
This was the shell. It became soft. And this shell is still hard. Look at what vinegar does. Vinegar is so strong. We hope you enjoyed our very messy experiment, but fun. And now we are going to clean up the eggs before everybody gets covered in it. Bye, Pre-K!